How to fix Snapchat camera app error. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. If you're having an issue where you cannot open up your camera on Snapchat, this could be caused due to few reasons. Now the first reason could be that your camera is not allowed on Snapchat. So to check that, you can open up the settings of Snapchat, tap and hold the app and open up app info. This is a shortcut, or you can also open up your settings and then find the Snapchat app. Once you do, you simply tap on app permissions and make sure that Snapchat is set to allow. If yours is set to denied, then your phone won't have the permission to open up camera on your Snapchat. Once you do that, you should be able to open up your camera. If you still cannot, you can now tap on clear data and then tap on clear all data. What this does is it's gonna clear all the unwanted data of your Snapchat and will also log you out of your Snapchat account. And after that, you'll need to type in your email address and the password and again log in. Alternatively, you can also try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone, and once you do that, you'll again need to download it from the Play Store or the App Store and then log in. And after you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the error of camera on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.